Welcome to Daily Salar Digital. Before we begin, like, share and subscribe for more credible news. In a heartwarming community initiative from Chala in Kerala's Kannur district, villagers have turned their Onam flower sales into a fundraising campaign to help a class 11th student battling severe kidney disease. Sreedevina, a student of Chala HSS, needs a kidney transplant estimated to cost around 30 lakh rupees. Here's how residents, traders and a local youth group are coming together to support her treatment. Sreedevina requires dialysis 3 times a week, and the cost of her ongoing treatment has placed a heavy financial burden on her family. In an effort to support the family, the local youth groups Chala Changs has joined hands with residents and traders to raise funds for the students' treatment. Flower sales have become one of the group's major fundraising initiatives during the Onam season. For the campaign, flowers worth around 2.5 lakh rupees were brought from Karnataka and other places and are being sold at stalls set up. Speaking to media, Basheer said the community had decided to set aside the profit from the flower sales for Sreedevina's treatment. He clarified, however, that the entire amount collected from the sales rather than just the profit would go towards her treatment. The initiative has brought together the local youth group, residents and traders who are using the Onam season to raise funds to help Sreedevina meet the substantial cost of her kidney transplant.